everybody. Happy New Year. So glad to be back with you. We're going to try to do some international recipes this coming quarter. And the first recipe comes from Jamaica. We're going to do Jamaica jerk chicken. And today I've got a recipe here which I will put on the end of my YouTube video so you can all share it. I have got in front of me onions, jalapenos, and green onions. I'm going to add thyme, salt, and pepper. I've got nutmeg, ginger, and allspice. And I've also got, it calls for lime juice, but as you can see, I have a lot of lemons. So I'm substituting lemons. And I've got olive oil here, and then I'm going to add some vinegar. So I'm going to make a bit of a paste. I'm going to use this as my little blender, and I'm going to blend it all together. I'm going to add it to the chicken. And once we have it on the chicken, we're going to let it rest for about 8 hours. Better to leave it overnight, but with our time and our video, we're going to do 8 hours. So here we go. I'm fixing to blend. All right, we just finished blending our marinade, and here it is. I have also, when I was at Publix today getting the spices, I saw this Caribbean jerk pre-made. So I thought, I could cheat. But I went ahead and did the real recipe. But if you ever want to try this, it's a 30-minute marinade as opposed to an overnight. And it really looks pretty good. I put a little bit on here just to get my recipe started. But I'm going to throw this in. It looks really gross. But we're going to let it marinade for about 8 hours here. Overnight is preferable. And when we get finished, we'll go on out to the grill, and we will have this with some beans and rice tonight. It's going to be delicious. I'll see you in a little while. Okay, we're now ready to put the chicken on the grill. I have preheated this grill to medium-high, and we're going to open it up, and I'm going to use apple wood because this recipe calls for a chipped fruit wood, and this is what they had at Publix. So as you can see, I've got a couple of cups in here and a makeshift tinfoil smoke box. I'm going to put it on, and now we have marinated this chicken overnight, and we're going to cook it now. We're going to cook it for about 40 minutes. We're going to start off with 30 minutes. Put it on. The bigger pieces I'm going to try to get away from the direct. We're going to put it skin side down. I said this is a whole chicken, so it may cook a little unevenly, so I will check on it in about 15 minutes and see how it's coming. And we're going to close it up, let that smoke start happening. We're ready to go.